ACF's Office of Planning, Research, and Evaluation, or OPRE, builds evidence to improve the lives of children and families.
The OPRE logo appears against a blue background.
This includes research and evaluation related to human trafficking.
Photographs. A boy wearing a backpack enters a red bus. A man places a hand on his forehead, closes his eyes in relief, and tilts his head toward the sky.
Human trafficking includes forced labor and commercial sexual exploitation and can affect individuals of any age, gender, or nationality, including children.
A custodian with gloves and a sponge cleans a floor on her hands and knees. A woman and a girl hold hands and walk away from the camera on a city block. A young person with glasses stands in a forest, crossing their arms and glancing to the side. A man stands on a truck bed and hands a hay bale down to another person. A boy wearing a backpack leans on a locker in a hallway, facing away from the camera.
OPRE partners with the Office on Trafficking in Persons, or OTIP, and other ACF program offices on research and evaluation efforts.
An animation zooms into a building and reveals a woman sitting with a young man at a table. They both look at a document while a researcher observes them nearby.
To inform the development of anti-trafficking strategies, policies, and programs to prevent human trafficking from occurring and provide services for those who've been affected.
Photographs. Two women sit facing each other on a couch while carefully reviewing information on an iPad. A young woman sits in an office chair and happily talks with another person who sits across from her and is out of focus. A woman kindly places her hand on a man's shoulder and turns to speak with him while a health professional sits across from them and listens.
This includes improving trafficking-specific case management and access to basic needs such as housing, medical services, food assistance, and cash assistance.
An animation shows a field with 4 illustrations representing types of basic needs assistance. The words housing, medical services, food assistance, and cash assistance appear in boxes on the screen.
OPRE's Human Trafficking Research and Evaluation portfolio is developed in close partnership with OTIP and in consultation with state, local, and tribal grantees, researchers, survivors, and other community members.
Two men and another woman nod and discuss.
To date, OPRE's efforts have included formative evaluations of grant programs, a study to advance knowledge of promising methods for estimating human trafficking prevalence in the U.S., and practice-relevant research studies of human trafficking victimization in the child welfare population.
An animation shows 2 researchers standing next to a whiteboard and talking to 2 people standing across from them. Illustrations representing studies emerge on the whiteboard.
This growing research base continues to provide information and guidance for program improvement in ACF, OTIP, and the anti-trafficking field.
The animation returns to a field with the OTIP logo displayed on the bottom of the screen. Several documents fly towards 4 boxes labeled researchers, states, NGOs, and practitioners. The OPRE logo emerges and replaces the documents in boxes.
Explore what we're learning about supporting individuals and families impacted by human trafficking and OTIP's anti-trafficking programs on the OPRE Human Trafficking topic page.
The screen shows the web address for the OPRE Human Trafficking topic page, acf.hhs.gov/OPRE/topic/human-trafficking.